BIBO makes cookies. BIBO and his friend Mino are going to make cookies. We'll make some big cookies and some little cookies, says BIBO. They add a small bowl of sugar, a medium-sized bowl of flour, and a block of butter in a big bowl. So BIBO stirs the mixture together round and round. Now the mixture's all light and fluffy, says Mino. Mino takes a little spoon and BIBO takes a big spoon. Mino puts a small dollop of cookie mixture on the baking tray. BIBO puts a large dollop of mixture on the tray. Mino places the baking tray in the oven. I can't wait, he says. Once the cookies are baked, Mino takes out the baking tray carefully. BIBO and Mino finally get to eat the cookies once they have cooled. So yummy, they say happily.